Good morning, students. God bless you. Welcome to 9th standard maths class. The last class we have discussed trigonometric ratios. Class we are going to see about trigonometric ratios of some special angles. Okay. So the special angles are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay. So listen carefully. Trigonometric table easily we find out the answer. Okay. Just you assume the one shortcut. Consider the weight object. The first weight is 0, then 1 by 4 kg and half kg and 3 by 4 kg and 1 kg. Just assume the weight object. Okay, taking the square root of value. Okay, the square root of value is taking the square root of all the 1. Okay, square root of 0 is 0. Okay, the square root of 1 is 1 divided by square root of 4 is 2. Okay, then square root of 1 is 1, square root of 2 is root 2. And square root of 3 is root 3 divided by square root of 4 is 2. Then square root of 1 is 1. Have you understood this? So the easy concept. Okay, just assume the weight objects 0, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 1. Okay, then the reverse form is cos theta. 1 root 3 divided by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Okay, have you understood the answer? Okay, then the tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, sin theta divided by cos theta. Divide both the value, we get the tan value. 0 by 1 is 0. Okay, then 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. 2 are cancelled, so 1 by root 3. Okay, then 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2 is 1. Then root 3 divided by 2, 1 by divided by 2. 2 are cancelled, root 3 by 1 is root 3. Okay, then 1 by 0, any number by 0 is not defined or infinity. Okay, any number divided by 0 is not defined. Not defined. Have you understood this concept? Then the cosecant, the reciprocal format is already known. Okay, this is reciprocal of sin theta. Okay, so reciprocal of sine table. So 0, so 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is not defined. Not defined. Okay, then 1 by 2, so the reciprocal format is 2 by 1, so 2. Okay, then 1 by root 2, the reciprocal form is root 2 by 1, so root 2. This is 2 by root 3, then 1 by 1 is 1. Have understood? Then secant theta, reciprocal form is cos theta, so 1 by 1 is 1. This is 2 by root 3, then this is root 2, this is 2, then 0 by 1 by 0 is not defined. Not defined. Okay, then cot theta. Cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. Okay, so 1 by 0 is not defined. Not defined. Then this is 1 by root 3, so root 3 by 1. So root 3. So 1 divided by 1 is 1. This is root 3, so 1 by root 3. Okay, then this is simple of infinity. Okay, not defined means simple of infinity. So the 1 by infinity value is 0. So 1 by infinity is equal to 0. This is one of the note. Okay, so this is 0. Have you understood the table? Okay, before going to the exercise, carefully read out the table answers. Okay. Okay, exercise 6.2. First question, verify the following equalities. The first subdivision, sin squared 60 degree plus cos squared 60 degree equal to 1. Okay. The solution, the LHS side is sin square 60 degree plus cos square 60 degree. This is the first subdivision. Okay, which is equal to sin squared 60 degree. The sin 60 degree value is root 3 divided by 2. from the table. Okay. So sin square, so root 3 divided by 2 the whole square, plus cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2. Okay. So 1 by 2 the whole square, cos squared 60 degree, cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2, so the whole square. Okay. This is equal to root 3 square is 3 divided by 2 squared is 4, plus 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4. Okay. Then 4 is the common, so 3 plus 1 is 4, so 4 by 4 is 1, so we get the RHS value. This is equal to RHS. Okay, hence verified. Hence verified. Have you understood? Okay. So the same manner, the second subdivision is your homework. Then the third subdivision, LHS side is cos 90 degree. What is the cos 90 degree value? The cos 90 degree value is 0. Okay. Then this is the third subdivision, cos 90 degree equal to 1 minus 2 sin square 45 degree. Okay. Sin 45 degree the whole square. 1 minus 2 sin squared 45 degree equal to 2 cos square 45 degree minus 1. So now we get cos 90 degree value. Okay, this is 1. Okay, next find 1 minus 2 sin squared 45 degree. 1 minus 2 sin square 45 degree, which is equal to 1 minus 2 sin 45 degree value is 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 the whole square, which is equal to 1 minus 2 into 1 square value is 1, root 2 square is 2. 2 are cancelled. So is equal to 1 minus 1 is 0. This is number 2. This is for answer of 1 minus 2 sin square 45 degree. Okay. Then the third value is 2 cos squared 45 degree minus 1. Okay. 2 cos squared 45 degree minus 1, which is equal to 2 into cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2 the whole square minus 1 is equal to 2 into 1 minus 1 squared value is 1 divided by root 2 square is 2 minus 1. 2 are cancelled. 1 minus 1 is 0. This is number 3. Okay, the LHS side is 2 cos square 45 degree minus 1. Okay. From 1, 2, 3 we get all the values are equal, so hence verified. Okay. Okay, from 1, 2 and 3 we get 1 equal to 2 equal to 3, hence verified. That's all the answer. Okay, so fourth subdivision is your homework. Okay, next second question, find the value of the following. The first subdivision, tan 45 degree divided by cosecant 30 degree plus secant 60 degree divided by cot 45 degree minus 5 sin 90 degree divided by 2 cos 0 degree. Okay, the solution, so tan 45 degree divided by cosecant 30 degree plus secant 60 degree divided by cot 45 degree minus 5 sin 90 degree divided by 2 cos 0 degree, which is equal to tan 45 degree value is 1 divided by cosecant 30 degree is 2 plus secant 60 degree is 2 divided by cot 45 degree value is 1 minus 5 into sin 90 degree value is 1 divided by 2 into cos 0 value is 1. Okay, this is all value taken from the table. Okay, this is equal to 1 by 2 plus 2 minus 5 ones are 5 divided by 2 ones are 2. Okay, then the LCM is 2. Okay, this is 1 plus here divided by 1, so multiplying by 2. 2 2s are 4 minus 5, this minus 5, which is equal to 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 minus 5 divided by 2, which is equal to 5 minus 5 is 0, so 0 divided by 2, which is equal to 0. 0 by any number is 0. Okay. Okay, third question, verify cos 3a equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a, when A is equal to 30 degree. Okay. The solution, cos 3A equal to 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Okay. So the LHS value is cos 3A, which is equal to cos 3 into the A value is 30 degree. This is given. Okay, which is equal to cos 3 into 30 degree is 90. 3 3s are 9, 90 degree. Okay, cos 90 degree value is 0. Okay, this is the LHS value. Okay, next find the RHS. 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A equal to 4 into cos cube A value is 30 degree minus 3 into cos 30 degree. Okay, which is equal to 4 into cos 30 degree value is root 3 divided by 2 the whole cube minus 3 into cos 30 degree value is root 3 divided by 2. Okay, which is equal to 4 into root 3 power cube is 3 into root 3. Okay, divided by 2 cube is 8. Okay, minus 3 into root 3 divided by 2. Okay, this is equal to 4 3s are 12 root 3 divided by 8 minus 3 root 3 divided by 2. Okay, the 8 is the LCM, so 12 root 3 minus the 2 multiplying by 4 we get 8, so 3 4s are 12 root 3. Okay, is equal to 12 root 3 minus 12 root 3 is 0, 0 by 8, the 0 by 8 is 0. This is number 2. Okay, from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 we get 1 equal to 2, so hence verified. Okay, hence verified. That's all the answer. Have you understood? Okay, dear students, today's comma book page number 232, exercise 6.2, question number 1, second and fourth subdivision, question number 2, second and third subdivision, question number 4. Okay, using the table and solve the sum. Do it well. Thank you. God bless you.